morning, guys. We are at the Eden project today. We're going to have a look around. There's two biomes here if you haven't been here before. So we've got this like Mediterranean one, and there's a rainforest biome as well. So we're going to walk around both. Might go around a couple of times so I can change lenses and get some different bits, but might be a bit of a quiet one. Lots of people around, so I might not talk very much, but I'll give you a tour. Alright, as you can see in the video, there are people fixing the bio at the moment, putting up new screens, so taking a slightly different route to normal because they've got part of it closed off, but only a small portion, so we're not missing much. I also kind of look at these and just think these are forbidden corn on the cobs. Probably shouldn't eat them. No idea what they are. Right, there we go. Now we're in the rainforest biome. I've got to say, this is probably actually the quietest it's ever been when I've come here, which is really nice. But yeah, this it doesn't do it justice, it's just how huge this place is, so lots to see. Here you go, so this is cool. This is some of the animals that live in the biome. So you got some lizards, frogs, geckos, and you've got some cockroaches, birds. I think all I've ever seen is the birds and the ants. Never seen any of the frogs or the lizards. It really doesn't like no justice for size. This place is absolutely huge. And there's so much to see. You can walk around it multiple times and still not see it all. What I am doing is come up to like all your trees and have a look at all the branches and the roots and things, seeing if I can spot any like lizards, frogs and so hiding in them. because I imagine that's where they'd be, not on the ground, but who knows? We'll see if we find any today. If you've never done it before, ants are so fascinating to watch. The way they all run in their little channels, and there's more out there. Fascinating, aren't they? Right, you're probably not going to be able to see this. I'm going to turn the ND filter right down, flip you around, but thanks to the help of a worker who gave me good places to look, we've just found here a lizard. I don't know if you can even see him. There's a little lizard up there on the roof. So yeah, that's very, very cool. I've tried to get a picture, but it's very, very dark in here now. I don't really want to get a light out because I don't really want to disturb him. I feel like that's a bit mean. Okay, so that was really cool. I've been coming here for years now. Been here so many times that I've never ever seen a lizard. So that was one ticked off the list for sure. I've also been given a tip of maybe where I might be able to find geckos too. So again, it's inside the roofs where I found that one, or on wooden things like furniture and signs. So we're keeping our eyes peeled now. It gets warm in here. It's like 32 degrees or something, so yeah, it gets very, very hot. I'm still on the lookout for more critters. Nothing just yet. Ooh, the walkway might be open. I think I can go up on the thing at the top. Have a look. Right, we found more. He gave me around. Right, that's the end of the biome now. I just gonna make my way out, and then it looks like the sun might be out outside. So if it is, I'll do the long route and I'll walk around the gardens too. But we'll see. This is just the last little thing on your way out. I've got this sugarcane truck, and that's it. It's the last thing you see, and then you exit just round to the left round here. So yeah, I head outside. I was wrong. You don't exit there. It's a bit further down. Alright, so that's me done. I'm just taking the long route around the gardens, but I just found a fudge shop that's like 10 minutes away. Shuts at 5 o'clock. It's about 4:10 now, so I'm gonna get my shuffle on and yeah, gonna go get some fudge, pig out this evening, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.